In this video, we'll show you how to change the language of any video on YouTube on your Android or iPhone. So YouTube has recently launched this audio dub feature that automatically dubs the audio in your local language. However, if you prefer to watch the video in the original language, simply tap on this gear icon in the top right corner and then select audio track from here. Now here you can select English from the list, which is the original language. If it's something else, you should see this original tag next to it. Simply tap on it to change the language. If you don't want to make this change, you can go to this preferred languages option. Now go to preferred languages and then select the languages that you understand. So you can simply go ahead and tick this checkboxes so that YouTube doesn't dub videos that are in these languages. Finally, hit confirm to save your preferences. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.